What's up, guys? It's Cody over at Form First Fitness, just giving you another quick garage tutorial. Today we're going to talk about uneven push-ups. So, uneven push-ups are really good just to get a little more stretch out of that pec, get a little more rear delt activation, and work with some unilateral stability. So, I always like using med balls or dead balls if possible. It just gives you some good height, really gets that stretch in. But if you do not have access to a med ball or dead ball, you can use a dumbbell and it works just fine. If you don't have either, ideally something about 4 to 8 inches off of the ground. So what we're going to do, if we have a dead ball, we are going to place our palm right on, and then we are going to grip the ball, okay? So I have active hands, fingers are spread apart, whites in my knuckles and fingertips. That other hand is coming normal push-up distance apart, so a little further than shoulders, and then I'm going to get into that plank position. From here, I am going to drive both elbows back as I lean in with that chest. My chest is not going to touch, but I'm going to feel a real strong stretch in whatever arm is elevated. Notice that my hips stay locked in. I'm not letting my hips sag. And then I'm pressing from my fingertips and the ball of my foot as I do a strong press up. The elevated hand probably will not lock out at the elbow. That is fine. We're just going to keep tension on that pec the entire time. So one more time, smooth and controlled. Elbows coming back at that 45-degree angle. Smooth eccentric or negative. Feel that stretch. Hold for a quick second. Strong drive up. As I said, if we don't have that dead ball, we can use a dumbbell. Usually higher weights give you a little more lift off the ground, just something to think about. I'm going to put it at a slight angle. It's just going to help with that wrist. And then strong grip on that dumbbell, smooth and controlled coming down, elbows at a 45-degree angle. Feel that stretch in the elevated hand, strong press up. If you guys like the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.